Let's take a look at the suspension bump test at 80 km per hour between the Rolls-Royce Ghost and the honky H9. This test showcased distinctly different approaches to ride comfort and handling. The Rolls-Royce Ghost's ultra-sophisticated air suspension system absorbs each bump with such precision and smoothness that even a glass of water remains perfectly still, with no droplets spilling. In comparison, the honky H9, though still impressive in its ride quality, shows slightly more movement in the suspension, causing big ripples in the water and a few droplets spilling. The Ghost's ride is the epitome of refinement and tranquility, while the H9 offers a more controlled, yet less serene experience. Now, let's compare to a bigger Rolls-Royce ride. As you can see, the Phantom delivers an almost flawless performance, with the glass remaining perfectly still as the car absorbs every bump effortlessly. On the other hand, the honky H9 struggles to maintain the same level of composure. As it navigates the bumps, the suspension exhibits more movement, causing water droplets to spill from the glass.